Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with ClickBank affiliate commissions, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your ClickBank affiliate commissions, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the account. In the account settings, look for the Payment Information tab. Click on the Payment Information tab to review your current payment details. Ensure that your payment method is set up correctly. You can choose from options like direct bank deposit, check, or wire transfer. For direct bank deposit, enter your bank account information carefully. If you're opting for a check, make sure to provide a valid mailing address. After verifying your payment method, return to the main dashboard. Next, locate the Reports tab in the main menu. Within the Reports tab, click on Earnings. Here, you will see a summary of your earnings and transaction history. Look for any pending payments that are ready for withdrawal. If your earnings meet the minimum payout threshold, you can initiate a withdrawal. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Request Payment button. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal request. Review all details to ensure everything is accurate. Submit your request once you have verified the information. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal request. Check the status of your withdrawal in the Reports section. It may take a few days for the payment to process, depending on your chosen method. Finally, once the payment is complete, monitor your bank account or mailbox for the arrival of your commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.